Well, good morning, everybody. It is a little bit before 6. We've got quite a bit of firewood cutting to do today, so I'm going to clean up this mess here so I can get the saw sharpened. I need to set up some lights so I can move some racks around. And we got a little while before it gets light, before we make too much noise, so get started. Well, I will spare you guys the gruesome discovery and tell you a little bit about what I did actually. So I started, as you saw, I started cutting wood today. I had a piece of wood, probably a 150-pound hunk of wood, up on a table on my sawhorses, maybe 4 feet off the ground. I was cutting it with my saw, my 440. I got about halfway through it, and the chain grabbed the wood, and it yanked it off the table, and it landed right there on my boot even. And let me see if I can. You probably can't in the video. You probably can't see the mark on the boot there, but so it landed right there. Hurt like hell. Thought I broke it. Kind of waddled around for a while, and then while I was splitting some oak into some smaller pieces to use for kindling, a piece of oak fell off the splitter and hit the same spot. I usually, when I get hurt, I am not a very audible person, but I was very, very audible today. So anyway, guys, I didn't film too much today. I'm just going to stay off my foot. It hurts like crazy. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully it feels better and we can get back to working. All right. See you tomorrow, guys. Good morning, everybody. It's a little after 8 o'clock. My foot still hurts pretty bad. So I'm going to kind of take it easy today. I'm just going to get a little bit of burning done. A little bit of cleanup on the patio, organization. And let's get started. I need to move all that wood under that rack. We got this new air fryer, and from reviews on the internet, I've read to run it for a while before actually putting food in it to get rid of the plastic smell. And there definitely is a plastic smell. It'll be interesting to see how this works out. It's actually got a really bright, nice bright light in it. Oh, it's hot coming out of there. I have never actually cooked a full chicken this way. I always wanted to. This is how I cook my turkeys for Thanksgiving. So we're giving it a shot today. I think it's going to come out great. I'm still unsure about this air fryer. I don't know. It's is what it is. We got that Instapot there, and that thing's been working great. I got that for my wife for Christmas. She loves it. We all love it. It's great. And there's my ugly backyard. So, while I'm sitting here cooking some chicken, I'm watching some Red Poppy Ranch. And we're going to grow some stuff. We're not going to grow the sunflower, not just yet. I don't know about the two lavenders, but we got the daisy, the coniflower, is that what that says? And the forget-me-nots. So let's hammer up and get to it. Start with the forget-me-nots. Now it is January something. I don't know what day it is. Directions. All right. First, we're going to go these under the lights. For the best. Get these kind of getting organized. You know what? We'll start one of these lavenders as well. Fine. You guys see? Oh, of course you can. Okay, let's set this lavender aside. First of all, the forget-me-nots. So there's no more than 5 seeds, but we're going to put a couple extra.
Can we have the kitchen closed off for Roomba?
What?
Roomba's on.
Put the fence up right there. All right. Next is the Kana flower. Is that what it is? Kana flower? Skip out. And next will be the daisy. Wow, these daisy seeds are small. Sorry for the light, it's probably horrible. And now for the lavender. This is going to be fun. We're going to go with these, like I said, under the lights. Try to get a head start on it. Alright, there we go. It's gonna be fun. We'll get these into the lights. Actually, I'm gonna take this up down for a second. Set you down for a second. There we go. Just now I know what I'm doing. Roomba's running. And the daisies. Gotta move this way over. And now the lavender. Now I don't know if those are going to grow. I sure hope they are. But if they don't, they don't. I'm not super concerned about it. Okay, we're gonna put this lavender and this sunflower back away. My little seed shelf. And I'll have to find a place to store these extra seeds here. This is garbage. Alright, back to the chicken now. We've got 45 more minutes before our chicken is done. Oh, it's looking yummy. Did a lot of work on the patio today, outside. Got the plants out here getting some sun. It is 3 p.m. I still got a bunch of junk over here to pick up. But it's the point where we can enjoy the patio again. I'm sorry, this video has been all over the place. I'm just killing time while I'm cooking chicken. And I want to see if the old truck will start. And if it will, I'll let it run for a minute. Ooh, she starts. How much fuel do I have? Oh, I gotta have 10. So we're gonna let this run for a few minutes just to kind of make sure that it's still going and see what we see. Charge the battery up a little bit. I don't drive this truck hardly at all anymore, so it's nice to come out and start it every now and then. My front yard is so disgusting. Maybe it might be time to get rid of this lawn. What do you guys think? Get rid of the lawn? I like the flower bed though. But I'm thinking we'll get rid of the lawn. Let me know in the comments. Get rid of the lawn or not. I'm thinking get rid of it. And on that note, should we get rid of the back lawn too? I'm thinking definitely get rid of the back lawn. Make a nice little tropical something back here. I mean, let's be honest, there's not much lawn left. And it could use some refreshing. Looking good. Well, everybody, this video was kind of all over the place today. But, as most things do, Sunday is coming to a close. We will see you on the next video.